I have a fr691v Kawasaki engine that has a skip like it is running off one cylinder, then smooths out, then skips when I engage the blade. I have replaced the plugs, checked the coil park on both sides, and replaced the fuel filter. Still skips.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Kawasaki engine? How old is it?
Less than a year old.
How long has this been going on with your Kawasaki engine? What have you tried so far?
Did you read my text?
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Run a cylinder test just to see if one cylinder carries all the load. Get it running, then shut it off, remove one spark plug wire and see if it'll start and run. Repeat on the second cylinder. If you can isolate the miss, then check the valve lash on that side.
I have already done that.
Did you do it after it warms up and the skip is there?
It only skips when you put it under a load or engage the blades.
Then that is the time to check the cylinders.
Okay, well, it is still under warranty. Was just trying to fix it myself cause the closest dealer is 30 miles.
Okay, more times than not, it will be one of the coils acting up, or the valve's too tight.
It's not the coil, I have checked them both. Is there a high and low jet in that carb?
No, it has no adjustments for high/low.
I don't know what it is.
The carburetor will only have an external idle screw adjustment and a single screw for idle mix.
I was a dealer for 15 years in the 80s and 90s. I'm no mechanic but have little knowledge of how a small engine works. This one has me baffled. I can pull the right plug wire off and the left plug runs smooth as silk, remove the left one and then the right one runs smooth. If it was a BSD coil park, one of them would have cut off. Like I said, it only SKJPS when under a load.
Test has to be run under load.
Okay, what kind of test? I'm just going to carry it to a dealer. It's still under warranty.
That's your best route, let them replace parts under warranty.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.